Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. We could see that right now Bitcoin is back to 44,435, ending the day with a 16 on the DBSI, opening a new candle with a 19 and a -5, so significantly more bearish. Looks like we're getting a bit of a pullback at the moment from those highs. Again, I did say that a good shorting opportunity would be around 48,000, 48,200 to 48,300, as we could see touching that 200 daily moving average and coming in line with this perfect trend line. As we could see, resistance, resistance, and then resistance once again. Now if we get rejected, some targets to be looking at. You guys can take a look at the BTC TA2 chart. Major support, first one coming in at 42,061. After that, you could probably start to take a look at 39,600, where it was resistance for multiple times. Again, if we don't hold those levels, you're gonna be wanting to take a look at some levels such as right here. Where's my favorite toolbar? There it is. We could take a look at 36,576. Again, this doesn't mean we're gonna shoot down straight all the way here in a couple of days. Not at all. Right now we could definitely take a breather, pause, maybe trend sideways and come back up, maybe even retest once again 49,144, right, which is quite possible. And then from there on, maybe we'll get rejected from there and then we'll come down. But maybe we do keep this trend going towards the downside, and we retest this once again, and maybe this was in fact just a really big bear flag, and it's a continuation pattern on the larger time frames, and maybe we are going to go down to 14,000. Obviously I'm gonna get a lot of hate for this, but obviously no, I'm just speculating right now. I'm not saying we're going down to 20,000, not at all. There is a lot of news in the markets, in the traditional markets, so we'll talk about that later. But right now we're going to focus on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, as we're going to follow the schedule that Martin has outlined for us now. So we can see that we did not get over this green resistance box right here, acting as significant resistance. If we come down to some support, you guys can take a look at some smaller support levels on the shorter time frames. 43,938, gonna probably take a little bit of a bounce there. It was support for a little bit, so we'll see if we can hold those levels. But again, I wouldn't bet the farm on it. Definitely we're gonna lower the leverage, by the way, in the Discord, for the trades. High leverage is a lot of fun for me and it's entertaining, but to see all those percentage gains. But obviously some people have been following me and not setting stop losses, and today we had a network issue at the bank, so we couldn't set our stop loss properly, so that was quite unfortunate. But we're gonna move on, and we're gonna take a new trading strategy and apply it to our crypto trades. But yeah, overall not too bad. Right now Ethereum's starting to come down as well. Support levels that you want to be taking a look at is 3,163. After that, you can take a look at 28,908, and if we don't hold those levels, you want to be taking a look at 26,038. And again, major support coming in at 2,300 to 2,400. Again, we're not going to get there anytime soon. It doesn't just drop like a rock like that. There needs to be massive news for it to do that, and again, I don't think that's going to be happening anytime soon. So far it doesn't look like Daniel's prediction is going to come true, but I will give him the benefit of the doubt, and he has until April 1st, tomorrow night. So if he has one day for the price to pump 17% in one day. So we've seen crazier things happen in Bitcoin, but Daniel's prediction is still 52,000 for April 1st. We'll give him till the end of the day for April 1st, but if it doesn't happen by then, looks like that's going to be invalidated, and we're going to probably stay in this pattern and start to come back down again. Maybe this is going to be a little bit of a bear cycle, and it might be the shortest one we have, but definitely take that into account. Never discount anyone's analysis. You always want to take a look at it. I absolutely respected Daniel's analysis, and I absolutely thought it might come true. After we broke out right here, we came to test 48,000. I was like, hey, it's very possible that we keep breaking out from here, and the RSI pushes up higher, and we maybe make 52,000, and from there on we reverse down. But it didn't look like we reached it so far. Again, I think a crypto face got wrecked today too, entering a trade at resistance at 47,500. He entered in a long, so that was pretty unfortunate, but I think he realized his loss, around $150,000 loss, something like that. But moving on, we can see right now in the indexes, the Dow Jones coming down today, huge sell-off at near the end of the day. As we can see, big red candle. Overnight, we're seeing a bit of a bounce at the moment, exactly from this blue line, as you can see, coming back up at the moment. But we're just gonna have to see what happens in the traditional markets tomorrow. I think Marcellus in the Discord found some really good news. Putin threatens to halt contract supplies to Europe with a third of its gas unless they are paid in Russian currency. So Putin's been demanding to get paid in rubles, and I think I heard this too, that he is refusing to pay in rubles. He's refusing to take any other currencies such as dollars, euros, and the EU, I believe, is going back to the contract and telling him that it says that they're going to keep paying with what the contract says. So right now Putin is quite in the corner, with all these sanctions. Apparently his army's losing. I'm not there, and the media can be sometimes unreliable in reporting giving accurate reports on war. So I'm just gonna assume that he is in a tough position at the moment. So he's probably not going to be willing to take any shit from the Europeans. So we're just gonna have to see what happens. But right now, not too bullish in the markets. Nasdaq coming down as well. Again, quick update on the trading challenge. We are up over $600 at the moment, starting off only 2 days ago with $10,000. Again, we're gonna go to 100K. Just how long is it gonna take? We're not gonna be in any rush, but at the moment, doing quite good. Bought that UVXY around 1290. Again, I'm not going to share all my trades. It's going to be exclusive to the Discord members. It's free right now for all Discord members, silver and gold, but it's going to be taken to gold later on, so enjoy it while it lasts. Right now, QID doing quite well as well, 1745. Again, the Discord is very cheap, and I make it very cheap, so a lot of people can afford it, but it's only going to stay very cheap for only, until I get to 10,000 subscribers, which, by the way, we are at 8,800, so whoo, milestone there. Once we get to 10K, it's gonna be a big party. It's gonna be champagne, everything. But yeah, overall, traditionals coming down, kind of following but Bitcoin's doing it on a higher basis, I would say. Gold at the moment, pretty boring day. Once again, getting rejected at 1950, and now we're starting to come down once again. If we break this support right here, it looks like gold could be coming to retest 1829, not 1229. 1229 is like all the way down here. So, but right now gold looks like it might come to 1872 to 1829. Again, that's going to be a great reaccumulation period for gold stocks and physical gold if you haven't had any already. But overall, if gold starts to come down, that's going to be a great buy time. And then same thing for silver. Like I said, $24 is going to be a great buy area for silver. As we can see, we're trying to break from this resistance line for a long time, and then when we broke out, we retested a support, so it's holding a support now. So once we come down one more time, I expect silver to shoot up from there. As high inflation numbers come out April 12th. Same thing for oil. Oil starting to come down as well. I believe Biden is releasing 1 million barrels per day to push down the oil price, but how long can that last? I believe they have 750 million barrels of oil, so maybe this is going to last them 750 days. Maybe he's going to have to accelerate, but we'll see what happens. Anyways, guys, you guys have been awesome. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you haven't already, you guys can join the Discord, get access to all my trades, all my charts, and we're gonna be, making that 10K to 100K challenge in the stock market. It's gonna be very interesting. Love you guys. Peace. If you haven't already, you guys can sign up for Big at Trading. Links in the description. That's where I do all my crypto trades. Peace.